tijwa mar uso omena kae, chien kocha ne en mar joma mine uso, to sani en marwa wate.
Ok ane joma owenegi kuom joma dongo. Kech iyudo ni ng'ama dichuo oluwo rech kacha, ochako ware modhi ouse modhi kode chiro. Ng'ama dhako bende waro rechno be chak dhi use chiro.
Hizi samaki ndio tukienda ziwani ndio tunatumia kulipa watoto school fee, tunatumia kukula.
Kaka wan yuto bende wang'iyo mana nam ka. Ka nam ka kelo to yuto bedo maber.
The challenge that we are experiencing due to the climatic change, sometimes it makes us not to go to the lake totally when the lake is too harsh.
Kwanza samaki kama jua inawaka hivi, samaki zinakimbianga huko juu. Unasikia watu wanazifuata huko, waganda wanashika watu. Juu ya ile jua kali, maji inachemka inakuwa moto, wanakimbia na hakuna chakula.
Sama koth ng'eny no, to samoro rech bende nowuok mang'eny. To waonge gi gimikano go rech nikech wana wauso ne ji. Koro samoro yudo ka ong'eny ma joma kori uso ne timbre nade onge. Koro kamidwa kane malong'o beo, koro chuna nyaka kori use e bei ma ok nyal konyi.
This is what we are helping us in our home. So if we have those challenges, sometimes fish are becoming bad, so we can't sell them to get money to support our families.
Dweche mar rech ng'eny en ga dwe mar 5 kod dwe mar 4. Dweche mar rech bede maonge ochakore dwe mar 6 nyaka 7.
Kama saa hii tunaumia kwa kweli. Utapata hata saa zingine ukitembea utapata mama amekaa na mtoto kwa mlango hajaenda shuleni, juu anatakiwa 200 tu ya kulipa.
Kaka wajoma mine mane iye ka ge nyithindo. Wan matek kaka sani an koro ane iye ka rent ta onge gimora mora ka rech no onge. Ochuna kora doke wan maka sani kora atwe maka. To makano be janam kango dhi nam duogo. E kang no duogo ng'eme te ebo anam nono.
According to this lake, it is very difficult to predict. Sometimes you can go when the temperature is, when the weather is very harsh, and you can get a lot of fish. Sometimes you go when it is just okay, and there is no fish.
Koro diere ma koth obiro be mang'eny ahinya. Wan gi shida nikech ka pong' ma pi bi nyaka konyo interfere kodwa.
Ni pong' mar nam ok en gima timore pile. To pong' mar nam ni obiro higa manyokalo. Ema nam obiro kopong' kinde machon nyocha ne nam nigi chien kocha.
Hiyo maji ilipotoka iliharibu mali za watu, ikaharibu boti za watu ziliharibika hapa, mavyumba vya watu mpaka makiosk zilikuwa huko zilienda zote na maji.
2021 the whole of building was watered with big waves. Nobody could enter inside. We lost visitors because nowhere they could go. The rooms were all watered.
Tuoche nitie kaka mag pi nikech samoro pi ng'eni koth chwe. Ka koth chwe ng'eni ywero ola maricho ka donje pi. Ka e pigne mang'adhi atuomo tatimore nade tamodho. Watiyo gi pi nam. Koro wanyalo yudo kony kaka kuonde mag pige maler, ikelonwa gik mabeyo ma wanyalo konyore godo. Nyalo miyo wayot sana.
Nitie yamo moro kanitarai. Onyalo ywak nyaka kiny moko loki. Kokigolo tanga piyo to yot mondo miyo go ipeny.
Kaka wamine wabedo ga grube. Koro samoro kineno ka wandi no dhi podho. Inyalo dhi kamoro mondo mi iwuo gi jogo. Koro ka giyie to ginyalo miyi matin midwaro no. Luore ga dieri mari mami ibro duoko godo loan.
Ka giholi loan no, duration minyalo tieko gi loan no bende gimi kasto iduoko. Sami duoko loan no be iduoko gi interest.
Manyalo gombo mondo mi okonywa kaka josiedi kar nyamiwa walo matin mondo mi wane kaka wanyalo konyore godo watingre go malo molo kama wandire.
Wan kaluwore gi kaka piny koro dhi sani, weche mag baugi be waneno ka koro bedo mapek. Wawinjo ka gidwaro ni mondo ubed gi yiedhi mag fiber. Kech fiber ok kaw bau mang'eny. Koro an gima ne sirkal nyalo konyago maber. Kech training mar fiber ni pok atime. Agombo ni gitera mondo mi adhi ang'e kaka ilose.
World Fish is a center of research for excellency for aquatic food system and blue economy. And our focus is mostly understanding how to improve the livelihoods of women, men, youth, children, marginalized group, and people whose livelihood depends on water bodies, and try to find opportunities, challenges, bottlenecks on how we can increase their productivity, improve their income, improve their food security situation, as well as nutrition for the well-being of their lives.
World Fish is very, very fundamental and has been playing major key in ensuring that the blue economy space is highly developed and very much organized.
The impact of climate change will continue. The devastation on our livelihood and the income to the lake operators will continue. Something has to be done today like yesterday.
Climate change is both a lot of rain and lack of rain.
Now, one of the things that I come out here strongly, this idea of having weather stations. They might not be in every beach, but it is so critical that this comes up when colleagues here in the fisheries department talk to your colleagues in the climate change department. But for me, if there's nothing else to invest in, it should be this early warning, data collection to strengthen early warning systems. If you then work with the Met people and make that as a priority, it will be very important, because the World Bank is now also prioritizing investment in early warning.
Issue of improved health and hygiene, especially in terms of safety and handling of food. If there could be some racks for drying omena, and also the water cleaning and purification facilities, so that the communities do not just use water directly from the lake.
As the lake is being polluted, people also consume this water. You mentioned, you're seeing the same water that they're washing the dishes, that's washing the cows are drinking from, everyone's bathing there. That's the same water that they'll drink. So what we believe is using technology to also provide clean, safe drinking water. And we do that through a hub ATM network. We call it an ATM because you use a token to actually go draw water. You put your token on our machine, you load it through M-Pesa, and then it dispenses your water at really subsidized rates. If we do not do this, we only provide solutions for fishing, for fish preservation, but then once they get this income and they fall sick, all that income is eroded every time, having to treat these waterborne diseases and whatnot.
County government opportunities, the presence of donor-funded programs, like we have aquaculture business development program. Then there is political goodwill and the management aspect, working together with the BMUs and other stakeholders in the lake, and also the presence of technical staff on the ground.
The need to support cages to enhance fish availability in all seasons. This was really stressed by the fisher communities. So this is an area that can really support these communities to be able to have access to fish and also fishing resources throughout the year.
We would wish that this conversation does not end here. Some of those recommendations that at the 2 county levels we have we develop a policy brief that goes to the State Department and also to the county governments with very specific recommendations around how we can take a few of these recommendations forward.
Our next step is to design a program of intervention with regards to the challenges that we have seen. So we really value your support, and we hope to continue working with you as stakeholders, as beneficiaries of these counties, to really see what's the best approach in terms of developing the sector.
My expectation from the workshop was basically to understand from a policy and research perspective what is happening, what gender dimensions, what is happening around gender and fisheries and the Lake Victoria ecosystem, because we have not had a lot of documentation on this. And I was just generally looking to learn what is happening, what the scoping study found out, how can we complement this scoping study and integrate some of the findings into our work.